Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Our Google Ads series is going on. So if you like our videos, so you can go and watch it. In today's videos, we are going to describe uh, how we can add billings in our Google Ads. So let's get it started. In order to add billings, we need to select this option called Tools and Settings, and we need to go to the billing option and press the settings button. So I need to set up the payment. So for that, I need to select the billing country. Like I'm living here in Bangladesh. That's why it is taking by default option. So you can customize it as per your requirements and put the customer information like account type, you know. So here we have two options. So if you are an organization, so you can choose the organization option. And if you are an individual, then you can choose this individual option. Like I am selecting this individual option, then you can put the tax information here, but I'm not putting it. Then you have to put your name and address. Like it has been showing analytical growth, and you can put the address here. Like I'm putting my address. Okay, I'm copying it and pasting it here. Okay, I have to put the city name, Dhaka. I have to put the postal code here. Okay, you can give your phone number, but it is optional. I'm not giving it. So then there is an option called how you pay. So we have two options here, like automatic payment and manual payment. So first of all, automatic payment. What is automatic payment? Automatic payment means with automatic payments, you pay for this service only after you have actual costs. You will be charged automatically on the first of each month or anytime your balance reaches an amount known as your payment threshold. That means Google Ads will give you an payment threshold, like they will give you a threshold of $300 or $500, maybe like that. So whenever it reaches that threshold, it will cost you, unless they will cost you first of each month. And second option is manual payment. Manual payment is totally prepaid. You need to have balance in your credit card, debit card, and then you will be able to advertise. So you can give the payment amount as per your requirements. Like I'm giving $500 for advertisement, and then you need to put the card number here. Like you need card could be debit card, credit card, Visa card, MasterCard, any kinds of cards that has enabled dual currency. And you can give your month, year, and CVC code. Then you need to enable this checkbox and submit this button, and you will be able to advertise. You'll be able to, advertise. So it is showing me error because I didn't put any card number. So whenever you put your card number and submit all the information, then you'll be able to submit this option. Okay. Yeah. So that's it for this video. Hopefully you like it. If you have any question, any queries, you can comment us below. You have a good day.